Hey guys, Arjun this side from Gossip Funda, and today we're going to discuss what is blockchain and how does it work. So our first question is, what is blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in digital format. Blockchains are the best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency systems, such as Bitcoin, for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transactions. The innovation with a blockchain is that it guarantees the fidelity and security of a record of data and generates trust without the need for a trusted third party. One key difference between a typical database and a Bitcoin is how the data is structured. A blockchain collects information together in groups, known as blocks, that hold set of information. Blocks have certain storage capacities and when filled are closed and linked to the previously filled block, forming a chain of data known as the blockchain. A database usually structures its data into tables, whereas a blockchain, like its name implies, structure its data into chunks, also known as blocks, that are strung together. This data structure inherently makes an irreversible timeline of data when implemented in a decentralized nature. Each block in the chain is given an exact timestamp when it is added to the chain. Now, let's discuss how does a blockchain work. The goal of blockchain is to allow digital information to be recorded and distributed, but not edited. In this way, a blockchain is the information of immutable ledgers or the records of transactions that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. This is why blockchains are also known as distributed ledger technology, DLT. First proposed as a research project in 1991, the blockchain concept predated its first whispered application in use, Bitcoin in 2009. In the year since, the use of blockchain has exploded via the creation of various cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance applications, non-fungible tokens, and smart contracts. Now, let's see what is the transaction process. Let's say here is a new transaction is entered. Then the transaction is then transmitted peer-to-peer computers scattered across the world, and then this network of computers then solves equations to confirm validity of the transaction. Then once confirmed to be legitimate transaction, they are clustered together into blocks, and then these blocks are then chained together, creating a long history for all the transactions that are permanent. Then the transaction is complete. So this is a cycle of how a transaction is processed in the blockchain technology. So this was all about the blockchain and how it works. If you have more information to add on, you can comment it down below. Don't hesitate on it. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you need more information and more knowledge, you can go to our blog page on the website of gossipfunda.com, where you can find many more solutions. Thank you.